Hello, good day everyone.
So today we have a new activity and
That is interviewing a person who is going through difficulties in achieving life success.
So, hello guys, this is Sir Jether Be Honest, a professional teacher and grade 5 advisor in Communities and Elementary School. So, hi sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rose.
How are you today, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
Are you happy to the life you have right now?
For me, my status today is I'm happy.
Wow, sana all.
Yeah.
So, regarding to the life you have right now, sir, what can you say about it?
Regarding with my life today, I will say that I'm contented with my life today, but not totally. I will pursue my dreams as well.
What is your hardest part in your life that you forget? You'll never forget.
My hardest part in my life is I'm experiencing rejection and um, what you call this, maybe discrimination because of my personality and my gender preferences as a member of LGBTQIA plus community. And in our society today, you must be fit in and you must prove to yourself and to them that you are capable so that they, you are considered as you belong or you are belong to that society. Ano ba?
Then, sir, how do you stay focused and resilient in the face of obstacles or setbacks?
I will uh, I will focus I will still focus to my core, which is my dreams and goals in life. And those problems, I will consider it as my motivation. I will not consider it as problem, but it boasts myself to do more to achieve those goals, and those obstacles in my life will be removed or vanished.
Wow. So, sir, those your problems you've encountered in your life, how do you overcome that?
I will overcome that by doing my best, doing what is best for me, and to solve that problem. I will search certain strategies or approaches that fit those problem that I can say that this is the solution of that problem.
So, what is your feeling today that you've overcome those challenges?
My feeling today that I overcome those challenges is I feel relief, I feel happiness, but don't be overjoyed because as we go by, as we leave this planet, no, not planet. well, we also face again another challenges in the near future.
Did you ever think of giving up in the mid of the trials you've got?
Sometimes I thought to give up. I am planning to quit, but instead of quitting, I do I encourage myself to face those challenges and to pray, to pray to God because there's nothing possible with Him.
So, who are your inspiration or motivation to pursue your goals and achieve success?
My motivation to achieve those goals is to, to achieve, to prove myself that I can do that, I can do this, and then I will prove to them, to those who judge me, that they are wrong. Then also my motivation is uh, I will give back to my parents that what they have done to me what today that I am here, because of them.
So how do you maintain a work-life balance while
Striving.
striving for success?
Um, Work-life balance. I do some what we call this a time management. I will balance my time as my personal time and also my work. And having a time management, I will do the priorities first, the most priority, then will be the last, those less priority. And also I do multitasking, while doing this and this also because sometimes in our work you need to do those tasks that needed on that certain day.
So, what are some strategies or key habits that you have contributed to your success?
My habits and
What are some strategies or key habits?
my strategies or key habit is being a persevere person and encourage and be also a courageous person to face those challenges and also as I've said you have a time management and be honest, be honest to your work and to yourself.
How do you approach goal settings and planning for the future? How do you approach goal setting and planning for the future?
In setting goals, for me, setting goals is a long-term plan. No? You need to plan, then, syempre, like, basta plano, di ba? Kung andyan siya na, you need time. But for me, there's no certain or best formula to success in your plan. But if you have the perseverance, if you have those motivations to achieve those goals, there's nothing impossible. And also, don't forget to pray, ask for guidance, ask for help to our God because with Him, you can do whatever you want or to do.
What advice, for the last question, what advice would you give to aspiring individuals who want to achieve their goals in life to become successful?
My advice to those aspiring individuals is they must be workaholic, no? Not also workaholic nga, dapat kung ano dyan, magpapagpikapoy na dyan ka. When you say workaholic, you must work to your goals, no? Focus to your goals, strive, focus to your core, which is your plans, your goals in life. And if there's some problems, there's some obstacles that comes within your plans, don't give up, face your problem, and whatever it is, every problem has a solution, Naturally, every problem has not just a solution. Then also, you need inspiration in life. When you say inspiration, your family, your friends, your parents, then also have a relationship with God, Pray, ask for guidance, ask for help, is because without praying, di ba, bro, wala kay idea mong sulod, pero when you ask God, bro, nandiyan yung idea din mong sulod sa imo ano na yung dapat buhaton, Then, I agree with the saying that do your best and God will do your best. That's all.
Thank you, sir, for bearing your time with us. Okay, congratulations,
Yeah.
sir. Congratulations.
That's all for today, guys.
So we have a lot of lessons that we learned about from the professional teacher, Sir Jeff Pion. So thank you so much, sir. And of course, congratulations to him because he already did her best and overcome those challenges, and now he become a professional teacher. So congratulations, sir, and thank you guys.